Hello everyone, myself Khushi. I am a law student in IME Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm Lexis and Company. So guys, from this video we are going to discuss the two-child policy in Uttar Pradesh, Population Control and Stabilization and Welfare Bill 2021. We are going to discuss that this bill is suitable or not to control the population of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh consists India's largest population, almost up to 24 crore. This time, the Uttar Pradesh need to introduce this like policy to control their population, because uh, the increasing population, the blast of population, you know, causes it emerges so many other social and economic problem in the country, in the state. The CM of Yogi Adityanath introduced this bill to control the population of Uttar Pradesh, which is very high, very big as compared to the state of the India. On the World Population Day, July 11th, 2021, the Yogi Adityanath was introduced this bill in the legislative of UP. So we are going to discuss that major highlights of this bill. The As per the bill, the public servants who adopt the two-child norm will get two additional installment during the entire service. Maternity, as the case may be, paternity leave of the 12 months with the full salary and allowance, and 3% increase in the employer's contribution fund under the national pension scheme. And there would be a formation of the state population fund to implement this act. The various maternity centers would be also established to at every primary health care center. NGOs would be assigned to distribute the pills which control the population, and also inform, also aware the people through some workshops, and all aware the people that they manage to control the population. And the government will also be introducing a compulsory subject regarding population control in all secondary school. Ocean insertment concession in housing schemes and other perks to employees who are uh, uh, population control norm and have two or less than children, means they give some benefits to those employees who helps to control the population. The public servants who adopt the two child norms will get two additional installment during the entire service. Maternity, as the case may be, paternity leave of 12 months discussed. For those who are not a government servant employee and still contribute towards the keeping the population and check, will get a benefit in like the with tax in taxes on the water, housing and home and loans. They get a concession benefits if any person who is not a government servant and they are contributing to controlling the population. If the parent of the child, so for the vasectomy, it is a measure to prevent the population. He and she will be eligible for the free medical facility till the age of 20. The Uttar Pradesh government set up the state population fund to implement this measure, as well as I was mentioned. So this is some vision which insert into the bill. The main aim of this new policy is to decreasing the total fertility rate from the 2.7 to 2.1 by 2006, and 1.7 by 2030. Increase modern contraceptive prevalence rate from the 31% to 45% by 2006 and 52% by 2030. Increase male method of the contraception from the 10% to 50% by 2006, and 16% by the 2020. Decrease the maternal mortality rate, which 197 to 150 to 90, and infant mortality rate from 43 to 32 to 22. under the 5 infant mortality rate from the 47 to 35 to 25. This is the main aim of this bill, this population control bill in the UP. They mainly focus to in the areas to increase the accessibility and of the measures issued under the family planning program and provide a proper system for the safe abortion to reduce the new bonds and mortality rate, to provide of a care of the elderly and better management of education, health and nutrition. Because if the population in the area which helps to control other issues, other which exist due to the reason of the increasing in the population. If we're talking about the awareness creation, the draft will also ask the state government to introduce the population control as the compulsory subject in all means. This helps to and the which study in the secondary school that how it is important for us to control our population. We're talking about the applicability, the provision of this legislation shall apply to a married couple where the boy is not less than the 21 years and the age of girl is not less than the 18 of years. Means it is only applicable to the married person, and the policy will be voluntarily. It will not be enforced upon anyone. Means they are not they all not are bounded to follow this policy. It is totally voluntarily. If anyone wants to follow this policy, then they get a benefit. If no one, it is up to them. Overpopulations, experts strain on the resources. Means if there is overpopulation, we need more resources for this population. It is therefore necessary and urgent that the provision is basic necessity of the human life, because the people who have no awareness that how they control the population, how they plan their family, and human life including the affordable food, safe drinking water, decent housing, access of the quality education, economic livelihood opportunities, power, electricity, domestic, so many necessity. A secure living accessible to citizen. They need to all. So it is important for us because we have a very limited resources, and population is increased beyond these resources. Then how we distribute these resources to all? There is also some issues which concern associated with this will, like the experts and advise the caution against any population policy and that puts the woman's health and well-being at risk, given at that the burden of the conception and the family planning greatly falls on the woman. It is likely that a female station will increase further. Some issues which associated with this bill. So this is all about the population control bill, which firstly used by the UP government in India, and which is a very necessary, need, very big need of our country, that we have to control our population. So this is all about today for this topic. A very thank you to all to watching this video.